Sagar ID BR16IT1006. So we are going ahead with another experiment. This is my second part of the first experiment, wherein the aim is to familiarize yourself with the packet tracer. These are like very basics of the packet tracer. So wherein we have, this is our workspace, and these are the different devices, and these are the connections. These are the custom devices that you can make up, and these are the generic end devices, which are laptops or servers or IP phones or whatever. This is the router, the type of routers, and these are the switches and type of switches, and these are the connections, different types of cables. So the aim of the experiment here is to connect 5 devices and a server to a switch, and to see if you're able to ping each of them. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it. So first let's take up a standard 24 port switch, and let's take up end devices. So let's create 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we'll take a server, keep it over here. So let's initialize these machines with an IP address. So yeah, so let's just tag each of them. So we'll be employing class C IP, so it's 192.168.10.1. Let's keep it 11. And this will be 12. This will be 13. This will be 14. This will be 15. And the server, let's keep it as 16. So yes, so now that we've labeled all these, let's connect each of the devices. So go to the connections. This is the kind of thing that chooses the type of cable automatically between devices. So if you're connecting between routers, it will choose a optic fiber cable, and if you're connecting between devices, it just takes a fast Ethernet cables. So yeah, it's connected. Done. 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 So yeah, now that it's connected, so now let's configure the IP addresses for each of the devices. So double click on it, go to desktop, go to IP configuration, select static because we are giving static IPs. So 11, and give, that will be the subnet mask, which is automatically assigned. Close. Number 2, 12, give as 14, and the last one, apologies, 15. And then now let's assign the same one, so 16. So yeah, it's all done. And pardon my OCD. Yeah, so if you could just hover over each of the devices, you will be able to see what is a gateway, which is not set. We don't have a DNS, so there won't be a gateway. So it's connected to the fast Ethernet port, and the link is up, and this is the IP address and the corresponding MAC address, which is auto generated. So you can check for each of these devices. And now if you hover over the switch, of the 24 ports, you could see that the first 6 ports are connected. You could see that the fast Ethernet 0/1 is up, and it's 1, and the corresponding MAC address associated to it, and all those things. So now you can send packets between each of the devices and see if it's working. So for that, you select this envelope and select the source and select the destination, and you'll be able to see over here if it's success or not. If it's successful, which means the ping succeeded. So the ping between each of the devices, it's successful so far. So let's ping 115 to 11. This and 11. Like you could see, it's success. The source is PC4, the destination is PC0, and the type is an ICMP packet. The time is this, and the number of the serial number of the ping that is sent, and then it's successful. So yeah, we have created a very simple, very basic network with static IP with a switch and 5 PCs and a server, and we've configured the corresponding IP addresses, and now we can see that it's working. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you.